Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to crop video in Filmora 12. To crop the video, you need first to split it. Click the red line to split it or simply click Ctrl plus B. It is a shortcut for splitting videos. Once you're done, select the crop bottom. You can also use the shortcut Alt plus C. In here, you need to select first the spec ratio. Then now, you can crop it to the size that you want. Once you're done, click Apply. Then now, play the video. You can see that it's now cropped. Then that's it. That's how you crop video in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.